This is going to be an abbreviated version of how to read the LE. So how to read your LE quickly. If you want to see a more detailed version, I have another video. That'll go through all the little details, all the numbers on it, so you can know exactly what's on it. But if you just want to go to overview, this is the video for you. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And here is an LE for you guys. This is what it looks like. So just the quick and dirty. It'll have your property, who's on the loan. It'll say what type of loan it is here on the right side. It'll say if it's a conventional FHA, VA. See, this one's in FHA. It'll have your loan ID or loan number. It'll tell you whether or not your rate is locked. So whether you are subject to market condition changes moving forward or not. Next, this is page one. You will see the loan amount. This is your interest rate. Again, up here, it'll reference whether or not your loan is, that rate is locked in. And then you'll see your monthly principal and interest payment. Again, this is just the principal and interest. It does not include your taxes and insurance, so it's most likely not your full mortgage payment. That's what this portion is for, the projected payments. Estimated total monthly payments is, for this one, is 6626. That does not include HOA. So if you do have a condo or have an HOA fee, that is not included in here. You'll see principal interest, mortgage insurance, and estimated escrow, which is your taxes and insurance payments. And so we'll just go ahead, and the bottom of page one, it'll show the closing costs and the cash to close. So for this one, the remaining cash to close, the estimated cash to close is how much out of pocket you have remaining to close this transaction. We'll go ahead and go to page two. Section A is for fees related to the lender. So if you have discount points, origination fees, stuff like that, processing fees, that's going to go here. Services you cannot shop for, it's usually things you have to get ordered. Appraisals, condo search, credit reports. Services you can shop for, you kind of can, but not always can you really. This is title and escrow fees. That's what all these are for. So if there's any kind of closing service, sometimes it's a lawyer or title and escrow, that's what this is. We'll go up. Oh, there is a section D that just kind of totals these ones out. And then section E is the recording fees and transfer taxes fees. That's county and state requirements. Prepaids, this is for prepaid interest and your insurance. And sometimes there's taxes in here, but not always. And then the initial escrow payment, so what they have to have to pay your property taxes and insurance over the life of your loan. This is the initial amount that you have to pay up front. Then it totals all those for you. And this number, 33,219, should match the number on page one, 33,219. There you go. And on page three, it's just some other information is required to be disclosed to you. APR, a total interest percentage. Again, I don't like to use these when comparisons. I like to use just the interest rate and closing costs. Add those together. That's how you should compare your different lenders. And some just required disclosures. And the final one is your signature page. If you have a co-borrower, they will have to sign on page 4. So there you have it. That is how to read a loan estimate in just a few minutes. Thanks.